Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pampanga Technopark, our fifth industrial estate and the industrial township of Ayala Logistics Holdings Corp. in Central Luzon. We are glad to welcome you all to today's ceremonial launching of Pampanga Technopark.
ALLHC has been a steadfast partner of BOI in providing location options for potential investors, and our partnership has been proven effective in matching investment-ready locations to our local and foreign investors. So the additional hectareage of the industrial township will surely be the new center of growth in Central Luzon. There has never been a better place and a better time to make it happen in the Philippines, in Mabalacat, and this time we make it happen right here in Pampanga.
Hindi lang to industrial park, gagawin namin tong agro-industrial park. Gagawa tayo ng food terminal. Susuportahan namin ang cold storage at dry warehouse facilities. Kaya itong mga farmers natin from Northern Luzon and all over Central Luzon, pwede sila magdala ng produce nila dito and we can preserve them and store them with proper facilities. Sustainability is also very important for us. Gagawa po kami dito ng 1.5 hectare open park, dedicated po yan. Para po sa mga tao ng Mabalacat, meron silang konting pasyalan. Friendly to all Pambangueños. Pwede mamasyal at pwede mag-Instagram.
Nakikita namin itong tulong na dumarating na ganito at yung investment na ganitong kalaki that the people of Mabalacat will really benefit from this. We can promise you the government and mga investors po kailangan proper collaboration tayo because the progress of this country, nauuna po yan dapat ang gobyerno ang tumutulong sa mga namumuhunan. In our city, I assure you, Mr. Landoni and the group, na hindi po namin kayo pababayaan kung hindi tutulungan po namin kayong lahat.
We are sincerely grateful for all the support and assistance. And through Pampanga Technopark, we are committed to work together to create employment opportunities for all Filipinos. Maraming salamat po and good morning.